Well, a crowd of fans have been lathi-charged outside the Mohali Stadium. These fans wanted to get tickets for the much anticipated India vs Pakistan match on Wednesday. Policemen could be seen patrolling the area on horseback. For the World Cup semi-final match, 14,000 tickets were made available to the public and the rest was given to the International Cricket Council. The number available to the public was reportedly sold out within 2 days after India's quarter-final match against Australia in Ahmedabad. So Mohali is in the hotspot for the moment, but coincidentally, Yuvraj Singh, who's been in great form in the tournament so far, is also a Chandigarh lad. So no wonder then that the fans there have very high expectations from him.
The moment that sealed India's berth in the semi-finals of the 2011 World Cup. The architect of that win against Australia, Yuvraj Singh, with an unbeaten 50 and 2 wickets. Yuvi is in red-hot form and fans in his hometown Chandigarh are in the mood to celebrate. Team India knows all too well that the parties can wait. First, the job at hand has to be completed successfully, that is beating Pakistan. Hotels in Chandigarh have been completely sold out as people are pouring in to witness the mother of all battles, and the local fans have only one demand.
Yuvraj is rocking now, and I am praying for God. In India-Pakistan match, he would hit the century and take as many wickets as possible.
Afridi said that we won't let any player of India make the century. I think Yuvraj will surely live up to our expectations and he will surely make the century.
Of course, India will need more than just a Yuvraj 100 to ensure they keep their record of having beaten Pakistan in all World Cup matches intact.
किसी भी टीम के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है जीतना. अगर मेरे ख्याल में एक भी शतक नहीं लगता और हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप जीतते हैं तो that's very good for us.
Yuvraj Singh has grown up playing in these parks in Chandigarh, but the home boy hasn't really been a hit here. However, going by his string of current performances, the locals are hoping that Yuvraj is able to set the stage on fire against Afridi's men in the semi-finals. In Chandigarh with camera person Arpit Jaiswal, this is Rika Roy for NDTV.
Well, the two nations are eagerly awaiting the outcome of that what's slated to be one of the biggest clashes in cricketing history. So what's the head-to-head contest between India and Pakistan? What do we have to watch out for? Former Indian cricketer Heyman Badani spills the beans on India's bowling woes.
Our bowling, yes, hasn't been the best bowling side in the tournament. But having said that, we've kind of got through somehow. We've got Zahir bowling at his best. Half Harbhajan doing his job, probably not getting wickets, but at least being restrictive enough. Finally, they get to play Ashwin, and Yuvi has come to the party. He's bowled brilliantly, played brilliantly. So, I guess the bowling has somehow managed to be there, but I guess it's one more game that they'll have to do it, and maybe one more after that. But I'm kind of worried more about the Pakistani bowling because they have guys who are match winners. Afridi one, Umar Gul is another, and they've got a couple of spinners who also can be destructive in Ajmal and in Hafiz. So I would rather be more concerned about their bowling and make sure that we don't give in too many wickets to start with and try and take the game forward slowly and pace the innings well.
Well, we certainly can't wait to know or at least stop guessing who might win this encounter. So we decided to give the cricket experts a little rest, and my colleague Lalit Jude leaves it to the astrologers, and this is what a little birdie told us.
It is a nail-biting moment for cricket fans. Will India pull off a victory at Mohali against Pakistan and enter the World Cup finals? Well, knowing how anxious everyone is, we put the question to Achu, a venerable parrot. His trainer, astrologer Tamarai, says Achu is quite dependable and Achu has picked Dhoni's card.
அதாவது இப்ப டோனி பேருக்கு விநாயகர் கணபதி முதற்கடவுள் வந்திருக்காரு. அவரோட ராசிக்கு இன்னைக்கு வெற்றி அருமுறை உண்டு. அதே போறாரு இந்த இந்தியாவிலும் ஜெயிப்பாரு. உலக கோப்பையும் வெல்வாரு.
Parrot Josiam apart, we are told that Dhoni's date of birth and Rasi will help Dhoni come up with perfect decisions during the match. It is all in the stars, say astrologers.
On that day, the horoscope of Mr. MS Dhoni is very powerful. The planetary positions are very positive on the day. Especially, I cast the Gochara on that day also, which gives very positive results about India. India is sure to beat Pakistan on that day.
The semi-final clash is going to be a do-or-die match for both the teams, and fans certainly cannot think of anything else. Are you geared up for a Willow Wednesday? In Chennai with Lalit Jude, Divya Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
And with that, we wrap this bulletin. Thanks so much for watching. Good night.